Today's spotlight is on a true American icon reborn for a new generation, the 2025 Ford Mustang Eleanor.
Oh.
Presented by AutoNerveX. A name that sends shivers down the spine of any car enthusiast. Eleanor is not just a car. It's a symbol of muscle car heritage, cinematic fame, and untamed performance now reimagined for the modern world with cutting-edge technology, luxurious details, and raw power that honors its legacy. Let's begin with what you see first. The design. The new Eleanor is instantly recognizable. With its classic fastback silhouette perfectly merged with 21st century aerodynamics, the designers have paid tribute to the original Gone in 60 Seconds star car while pushing the boundaries of modern muscle. A deep front splitter, resculpted side scoops, flared fenders, and that unmistakable twin racing stripe, now lasered into the metallic paint, give it a stance that commands attention. Full matrix LED headlights with sequential turn signals and custom Eleanor badging take the intimidation factor even higher. Under the hood lies the beast a hand-built 5.2-liter supercharged V8 that unleashes a jaw-dropping 780 horsepower and 690 pounds-ft of torque. It's paired with a high-performance 6-speed manual transmission, or you can opt for a 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters for seamless gear changes. Eleanor's performance numbers are staggering. 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds, and at top speed north of 200 miles per hour. With active exhaust valves, the growl can go from neighborhood tame to racetrack savage with the press of a button. Handling is sharp and precise. Thanks to an upgraded suspension system featuring MagneRide adaptive dampers, a reinforced chassis, and a limited slip rear differential. Whether you're carving canyon roads or launching down the drag strip, Eleanor delivers feedback and confidence at every turn. Now step inside. The cabin is a perfect fusion of retro charm and futuristic luxury. You'll find quilted leather Recaro racing seats with Eleanor embroidered headrests, contrast stitching, real brushed aluminum trim, and a flat-bottom leather steering wheel with Eleanor's logo in the center. The digital cockpit includes a 12.3-inch performance display, showing customizable gauges, GI forces, lap timers, and more. The center console houses a 13.4-inch touchscreen running SYNC4 with wireless Apple CarPlay,
Android Auto navigation,
voice control, and a Bang & Olufsen 14-speaker audio system that fills the cabin with rich sound. Every inch is customizable, from the ambient lighting to the drive modes. Eleanor features track, sport, normal, and a new classic mode, which dials back the electronics to give you a raw analog experience. And yes, there's launch control, line lock, and a built-in drag timer. Because what's a muscle car without a bit of tire smoke? But Eleanor isn't just about brute force. It's built for today's roads with modern safety and driver assist systems like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist, all seamlessly integrated into the design. Even the body panels tell a story. Built using a lightweight mix of aluminum and carbon fiber, Eleanor manages to maintain an ideal power-to-weight ratio. Exclusive finishes like gunmetal shadow, deep silver mist, and WTL mist, and nightfall black make every Eleanor unique. The rear end features quad titanium exhausts, a redesigned ducktail spoiler, and Eleanor script across the tailgate in satin chrome. There's even more under the surface. The Eleanor Performance Package includes high-performance Brembo brakes, a titanium strut tower brace, reinforced sway bars, and a reworked underbody for optimal aerodynamics. The attention to detail is obsessive, from the Eleanor logo on the valve covers to the laser-cut VIN plate embedded into the dash. And then there's the legacy. Eleanor has always stood for freedom, speed, and rebellion. The 2025 model captures that spirit while embracing the future. Whether you're pulling into a car show or launching onto the Autobahn, Eleanor makes a statement that few cars on Earth can match. In a world turning silent and electric, Eleanor reminds us of what it feels like to truly drive to be connected to the road, the engine, and the legacy of performance that defined an era. If you're lucky enough to own one, you're not just buying a car, you're joining a lineage, You're stepping into the driver's seat of a modern legend. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive deep dive. For more thrilling automotive content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share AutoNerveX, where legends live again.